So some ways to make Monopoly more fun. The first thing, and this sounds really obvious, but you want to play with the right rules. A lot of people, they think they're playing with the right rules in Monopoly, but they're really not. I've seen house rules ranging from every time you land somewhere, you get to build on it, which is insane because that just lets anyone build things anywhere and you have like 7 houses in one space. So make sure you're playing with the proper rules first. Something that's very easily overseen is auctioning, where if you land on a property in early game and no one buys it, then everyone has a chance to bid to buy it. So that is a huge one that keeps the game moving forward. In terms of more recent additions to Monopoly, there's something called the speed die that started about 10, 15 years ago, and that really keeps the game a lot faster and gets you to the more juicy part of the game, which is trading. Now, for trading, this is probably like the most skill in the game, I would say. You have to be really careful about trading. You can't take something back once you do it. And so just make sure you're doing it correctly. I've had games where we take an hour to trade because we all know that this is a pivotal moment.